and welcome to this episode of So You Missed Lab, where we make everything up. Today's lab is the Atomic Spectra Lab. In this lab, we are going to investigate various elements' emission spectra. We're going to run electricity through a gas-filled tube. We will view the light through a spectroscope to observe the bright line spectrum. First up, fluorescent light. And we've got a room full of them! Observe the spectra. Notice how some bands of light are brighter than others. For example, there is a bright purple line at 4.4 on the scale. We want this measurement in angstroms, so we have to multiply by 1,000. In your data charts, under color, write purple. And under wavelength, write 4,400. Now do the same for 3 to 4 more lines in your data table. Next is mercury. Record 3 to 4 of the brightest bands in your data table. This next spectrum is so funny, I slapped my knee on that one. Record 3 to 4 of the brightest bands in your data table. Next will be the spectra of an unknown element. Record 3 to 4 of the brightest bands in your data table.
Or all 5.
Next is hydrogen. Record 4 of the brightest bands in your data table. Last is white light. Note, for the continuous spectra, all colors blend together. There are no distinct bright bands. Since this spectrum is continuous, you will record the wavelength range for each color. For instance, notice where red ends, orange begins, and so on. Now you have 2 more objectives. First, using colored pencil or crayons, draw a corresponding line on the scale to the right. Note, for the continuous spectra, all colors blend together. There are no distinct bright bands. Finally, identify the unknown substance using the known spectra of various elements.
All right, guys. Looks like we've made everything up. Now it's time to clean up.